Want to change your Android home screen layout, lock your icons in place, or unlock a layout that will not let you move anything? This guide shows all three controls on a Samsung phone. Start on the home screen, swipe up to open the app screen, find Settings, and tap it to begin. In Settings, find and tap Home Screen. At the top, you can choose Home Screen Layout, Home Screen Grid, App Screen Grid, and Folder Grid. Home Screen Layout decides whether apps use a separate app screen, while the grid controls how many icons fit across each page. Tap Home Screen Grid. Samsung displays real previews for 4x5, 4x6, 5x5, and 5x6. A smaller grid makes icons larger and fits fewer items. A larger grid fits more icons. Select the size you want and tap Save, or tap Cancel to keep the current layout. Back on the Home Screen Settings page, find Lock Home Screen Layout. Turn this switch on to prevent icons and widgets from being removed or repositioned by accident. If the home screen seems locked and you cannot move an icon, return here and turn this exact switch off to unlock it. The nearby Add New Apps to Home Screen switch is separate. Enable it if newly installed apps should automatically get a home screen icon. Leave it off if you prefer adding icons yourself. Changing the grid adjusts spacing, but Lock Home Screen Layout controls whether existing items can be moved or removed. Here is the complete path again. Open Settings and tap Home Screen. Use Home Screen Grid to choose how many icons fit. Then tap Save. Turn on Lock Home Screen Layout when your icons are arranged correctly. Turn it off whenever you need to move, remove, or rearrange items. Use Add New Apps to Home Screen only if you want future installs placed there automatically. If a layout change looks wrong, reopen the grid and select your previous size. That is how to change, lock, and unlock the home screen layout on Android. If this helped, like the video and subscribe for more Android guides.